This video is going to go over the binomial distribution probability question that's in this chapter. Okay, so if you have the probability of an event being 0.82, and for instance in this example a tennis player is playing 5 games, and first we want to find the probability that they win 3 games. Okay, so we go menu, probability, distributions, because it's a binomial distribution. Then we scroll down to binomial PDF. Click it. So the number of trials, well, there was 5 games in total, so we press 5. The probability of successes is the actual probability that she wins, so it's 0.82. This needs to be in decimal form, not percentage. And the X value, which is the number of actual wins that we want in this example, is 3. Press OK. And we actually get our answer straight off. So the probability in our example that the tennis player wins exactly 3 games out of 5 is 0.178643. And that's assuming that the probability that she wins 1 game, any game, is 0.82. Okay, so now we want to find the probability that she wins at least 3 games. So we go menu, probability, distributions. And now, because it's at least 3 games, we're going to choose binomial CDF. And now you can see we've got a lower bound and an upper bound. Okay, so once again, the number of trials is 5. The probability of success is 0.82. Now the lower bound, since I want at least 3, I guess the lower bound is 3. And the upper bound, well, she can't win more than 5 games within 5 games, so the upper bound is 5. Press OK. And there it is. So the probability that she wins at least 3 games out of 5 is 0.956293. And it's very high, and that's because the probability that she wins 1 game is also very high. Okay, so now we want to find the probability that she wins less than 3. Now, less than 3 is the complement of the one we just did, which is 3 or more. So when something is a complement of something, we can subtract the probability from 1. So we can press 1 minus. Okay, and now I'm going to press up to access the previous function and press enter. So I'm just doing 1 minus my previous thing. I could have also just pressed enter on the value as well. And then pressing enter again, I get my new probability. So the probability that she only wins less than 3 games is 0.043707.